Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on I-90 and I-94 as well as I-39 north, beginning at mile marker 136 in Wisconsin. Throughout this triple concurrency, we continue to use I-90's mile markers and exit numbers. This is the longest concurrency of 3 mainline interstate highways in the United States at 28.7 miles. And longer would probably be the correct word, as there's only one other such concurrency in the country. We're in Dane County in the city of Madison, the state capital of Wisconsin. We enter the village of Windsor, which had a population of 8,754 as of the 2020 census. The first settler in Windsor was William Lawrence, who came to the area from Vermont in 1841. Windsor voted to incorporate as a village on November 3, 2015. Prior to that, it was a town. In Wisconsin, towns are unincorporated jurisdictions within a county, similar to a civil township in some other states. We enter the village of DeForest, which has a population of 10,811 as of the 2020 census. The village was named for Isaac DeForest, who in 1856 bought the land on which the village sits today. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Columbia County, which has a population of 58,490. The county was organized in 1846 by settlers who had purchased land in the 1830s near what is now the village of Poynette. A number of villages had formed around the county, each of which was hoping to become the county seat. Fort Winnebago, today the city of Portage, was eventually chosen. The first railroad was built across Columbia County in 1857. Other lines followed, making Portage an important railroad center. Soon, state roads and eventually interstate highways crisscrossed the county. Today, Columbia County is 19% forest land. The county contains 90 wind turbines capable of powering approximately 45,000 average residential homes. We conclude today's video at mile marker 110. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.